lights hum, smoke rise high where the rhythm come over. Hey, yeah. Night sky open like a wide-eyed dream, Milky Way shining on a silver beam. Aboard a comet with my spliff held tight, cruising past Saturn in the velvet night. Gravity fade, meditation strong, baseline guiding this vessel along. Oh, oh, cosmic roots keep me steady in the sky, herb in my lungs while the galaxies fly. Boom of the drum, heartbeat of the stars, one love vibing from Venus to Mars. Asteroid rhythm make the meteors dance, nebula colors put my mind in trance. I link with Orion, trade a humble talk, share ancient stories in rings of smoke. No fear, no borders out here tonight, just endless rhythm and swirling light. Oh, oh, yeah. Cosmic roots keep me steady in the sky, herb in my lungs while the galaxies fly. Boom of the drum, heartbeat of the stars, one love vibing from Venus to Mars. Echoes ripple through the void, celestial choir, paranoid destroy. Drop the tempo, feel the awe, spiral arms chanting Jala. Seed in a moonlit crater, roots dig deep in the cosmic equator. Soon the green will climb and spread, turning barren dust to emerald bed. Universal garden, future begun, every leaf glowing under alien sun. Oh, 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 oh. Cosmic roots keep me steady in the sky, herb in my lungs while the galaxies fly. Boom of the drum, heartbeat of the stars, one love vibing from Venus to Mars. Cosmic roots. So when you gaze at the midnight blue, remember the cosmos is jamming with you. Light up the leaf, let your spirit cruise. Cosmic roots, we never lose. Fade on a sea of sand, sun like a furnace over timeless land. Caravan rhythm in the camless way, one slow puff keeps the dust at bay. Mirage on the horizon, stories untold, spices and secrets in the market gold. Nomad drum echoes through the sandstone gate, reggae pulse blends with the Bedouin gate. Desert wind rhythm, carry my song across the dunes where the nights grow long. Ash smoke rising to a starlit dome. Desert wind rhythm, guide me home. Cold night whispers, ancient lore, constellation map from a sky so pure. Share one ember by the palm tree spring, hear the sand sing when the dub horns ring. Sirocco howl, heartbeat drum, bassline bumps on a handmade hum. Sank in the dune but the spirit fly free, reggae in the desert, roots under me. Desert wind rhythm, carry my song across the dunes where the nights sand. I'll ride the groove to another land. Herb in my satchel, sun on my skin. Desert wind rhythm, roll on within. Roll on within. Roll on within. Roll on within. Steel wheels coming down the distant track. Ticket in my pocket, no turning back. City lights fading like a whispered lie. Smoke from the engine meets smoke in my sky. Doors swing open, strangers share a grin. Rhythm in the carriage, heartbeat on the tin. I roll a little blessing, pass it down the line. Unity in every pull, sparks begin to shine. Ride the freedom train, feel the motion rise. Herb smoke, dancing with the morning skies. No more chains, no more pain. All aboard the freedom train. Mountains in the distance paint a purple haze. Conductor tops the tempo, step into the maze. Babylon's sirens grow smaller behind. Every mile forward clears the cluttered mind. Let the whistle be the trumpet, let the tracks be the drum. Let the smoke be the prayer saying better days come. Eyes on the horizon, heart on the mend. Journey never over, rails never end. Ride the freedom train, feel the motion rise. Herb smoke, dancing with the morning skies. No more chains, no more pain. All aboard the freedom train. Sunrise colors every window gold. Story swap easy, no secrets to hold. Old man humming root song sweet. Little child skanking with quick step feet. When we reach that valley where the rivers meet the plain, we'll thank the leaf, the rhythm and the steady train. Lift your voice, let the chorus remain. One love rolling on the freedom train. Morning mist on the water skin. I dip my toes, let the day begin. Current hums a low sweet tune. Nature's rhythm under the crescent moon. I place a drum on the pebbled shore. Heartbeat echoes to the river's core. One slow draw, feel the music rise. Smoke curls up to the open skies. River of rhythm, carry me on. Rolling and flowing, dust till dawn. No wait, no worry, no right, no wrong. Just drift with the water and sing your song. Children laugh in the shallows bright, elders chant by the firelight. Story and song weave through the reeds, roots run deep where the spirit feeds. Let the bank be a pillow, the sky be a roof. Let the herb be the key, let the drum be the proof. Every ripple a lyric, every splash a new rhyme. River teaching the tempo beyond all time. River of rhythm, carry me on, rolling and flowing, dusk till dawn. No wait, no worry, no right, no wrong. Just drift with the water and sing your song. When city noise starts to cloud my head, I find the stream and release the dread. I roll another, let patience grow, cast my fears where the currents go. Sun sinks slow, turning water to gold. Night birds croon ancient tales untold. I thank the flow and the leaves so kind. River of rhythm, ease my mind.